Today this is Provost, and today I'll be showing you my Fast and the Furious car collection from most of the movies. These two are from the 7th. Not this. That one's from the 7th. This one's from the 6th. This one was in the 7th or 6th, whatever. That one I don't know what's from. And all these parts it comes with is Brian's Toyota Supra. So yeah. First up, we have Dom's Chevy Chevelle SS, which I don't know what movie it is. Put a comment down which at the end of this, put a comment down below, all the way down, and put a like or subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, comment down what these cars are from. And second, we have Dodge Charger Daytona, and all the way up at the top is number 3, Brian's Nissan GTR R35, and fourth, we have Dom's Dodge Charger RT. And fifth, we have Letty's Dodge Challenger SRT8. And sixth, the final, well, not the final one, Letty's Plymouth Barracuda. And these pieces I would say, okay. And seventh, we have Porsche 356A Outlaw, and the signature right there. And the name is right there. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be the final one. Okay? This is gonna be Fast and the Furious. Well, not Fast and the Furious, but ultimate unboxing / Fast and the Furious / the classic Ghostbusters from the first and second movie from Ghostbusters. And I will not be unboxing the classic Ghostbuster cars. I'll be just showing you guys what it is. So yeah, it's a Hot Wheels classic Ghostbusters with the Ghostbuster logo. Okay, here's the cars. Ghostbusters Ecto 1, and from the first one, and it has all the things on it. And the second movie we have the Ghostbusters Ecto 1A, and it has the logo of the first, the second, the ghost outs right here, but on the door, small, you can see him having two fingers up. If it communicates. Okay. These are the three that I got from the store. And first up is the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This one you guys saw if you did subscribe to his channel. You could tell it's the one that Racing Groove had in his video for his thing. And then we have the number from this Jaguar F-Type is 1 out of 10. And this is Hot Wheels showroom. So let's open this baby up and scene. As you could tell, I kind of am gonna open it. Stop, I'm in the middle of a video. Here it is, guys, out of the package. As you can tell, that's the first one out of the package. Okay. Second one we have that from then and now. No, it is 4 out of 10. And this one is Hot Wheels then and now, and it is a beautiful one. 1971 Dodge Challenger. So let's open this baby up. My assistant here is my sister's named Bethany. She'll be opening it up for me. She's shy, so yeah. Okay, open up, Bethany. Camera's gonna be pointing this way. Is that if I show you? Okay, she'll be opening this up. Careful with it. Ooh, that's a beautiful car. Not that, it goes right there.
That piece. It was a piece of white.
Whoo-wee. Yeah, I keep on trying to practice hoo-wee from one of my favorite channel subscribes. Okay, let me show them. This one is my favorite. It is Daredevil, Hot Wheels Daredevil, down, and it says it is number 13. I love Demolition Derby, and it is Brewster, and it's new for 2016, and it is out of all these are 100. This number is 165 out of 250, and this one is the 2015 Jaguar, and this one's out of 111 out of 111 out of 250. 104 out of 250. The then and now 1971 Dodge Challenger. So yeah, let's get this baby opened up. We're gonna try to be careful so we don't ruin it or break it, because it is a beautiful one. This one is well, you already know, 150. Ooh, this baby looks so sweet.
And you can see my boat from going back, and my belly got 2 toys. A girl one and a boy one.
Yeah. No, we're not doing it. I'm gonna be showing them in your. Well, this is my project, guys. This is gonna be a work in progress. I'm gonna show you one of the shoes. It's supposed to be part of the Chucky shoe. This is the Chucky shoe. Well, it's from my other sister, which you guys saw her in one of the Funko Pop one. The one that got like over 1 million, like a lot of likes. Whew. I never imagined getting a whole bunch of likes. And yeah, I have both shoes, but this is the one that's almost done. This is the left foot, and I got still trying to get it done. I have half of it done, but the bottom of the shoe is supposed to say good dog, but I can't get it. Okay, hit a like down below, comment, subscribe, and like. And as I always say sometimes, smile more from the video from Roman Atwin, and peace.